Hi, my name is Laura Soche from the Fortune Group with Long River Realty in gorgeous Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Welcome to 3331 Amberwood Avenue. The gourmet kitchen features a beverage chiller, walk-in pantry, and an ice maker. With 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this gorgeous home offers over 3,000 square feet of living space. Make your way through the spacious covered patio to the inviting casita that is sure to make your guests feel welcome and right at home. Say hello to a backyard that only dreams are made of. With a negative edge pool and spa, this will surely be one of the most popular places to relax. From nearly every corner of this property, you will have some of the most amazing lake and mountain views. And the sunsets from up here are absolutely breathtaking. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this one-of-a-kind property at 3331 Amberwood Drive. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact the Fortune Group at 928-230-4065.